Dear students, this is your Maths teacher, 11th Standard Business Maths, Exercise 2.4. Today our concept is combination, the continuation of permutation. So what is combination? The process of different selection without repetition is called combination. So what is your permutation is nothing but arrangement. Combinations is nothing but selection. So you should not confuse with the permutation and combination. You have question, sometimes you cannot identify directly whether it is permutation and combination, right? Okay, now how to define your combinations? Is a selection of n things taken r at a time without repetition. Out of n things, r things can be selected in NCR. This is read as NCR. Your NCR formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Your permutation, no r factorial. That is the difference between permutation and combination. Now I have given you the difference between permutations and combination. Permutations are for list, order matters. Okay, the order is plays a vital role. But in combination are the groups. Order doesn't matter. Okay, order doesn't matter. So that is your combination value is less, your permutation values are more. That's it. Okay, your permutation exceeds your combination. Now, what is your 5C3? 5C3 as per the formula 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, right? 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. It looks like plus, actually it is minus. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. You know 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 2 factorial is 2 into 1 and 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So the final answer will be 10. Do you understand? So this is our first concept. Like that, you have one more example for your better understanding. Find 8C2. So 8C2 is nothing but 8 factorial by 8 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. That is equal to the values are given, the factorial values are given. Finally, you will be getting 56 by 2. That answer is 28. Okay. Now, the formula comparison of permutation and combination. Your NCR formula sometimes can be written as NPR by R factorial. NPR by R factorial. At the same time, you know NCR formula also. So, what is your next example 3? If NC4 equal to NC6, find 12CN. You have the combination equation. From that, you have to find one value, 12CN. So, what is your formula here? Your NCX equal to NCY. We can conclude the answer is x plus y equal to n or x is equal to y. Okay, it's a property. So what I am saying, when combination equation is given, then you can say x plus y equal to n or x is equal to y. So here your x is 4 and y is 6. So your n is nothing but 10. I have to find 12C10. So 12C10 is nothing but 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. So the answer will be 132 by 66. 132 by 66. That is your answer. Okay. And one more question for your understanding. NPR equal to 720 and NCR equal to 120. Find R. We have to find the value of R. So the relation or the formula NCR equal to NPR by R factorial. I can substitute the values. Your R factorial and 120 are interchanged. Your R factorial equal to 6. So what number factorial is 6? It is 3. So If you know the factorial value is 6 means you can write the R value, right? And one more example, if 15C3R equal to 15CR plus 3, find R. Again, it's a combination equation. I have taken NCX equal to NCY, so I will conclude with X plus Y equal to N. So 3R plus R plus 3 equal to 15. 4R plus 3 equal to 15. Your 4R is 12, R is 3.